Hello everyone, my name is Akriti and I have completed task 2, which is an intermediate level task where I have to perform exploratory data analysis on the data set of terrorism. So for performing exploratory data analysis, I'm using Microsoft Power BI, and this is the data set which I'm using for the project. I have done the data cleaning and data pre-processing here. Now let's just move to the data visualization. So with the help of these bars and charts, we can visualize the data where most of the terror activities or the active terrorism is taking part, whether it is country, region, state, or which groups are involved, what weapons are used the most, and what are the areas which are targeted the most. So when we see the time period from 1970 to 2017, we find that 2014 followed with 2015 is the years with highest terror terror activities. And if we talk about the active groups, so these are the active groups, or you can see active groups are Islamic State and Taliban and unknown group. These are the active states, and we can see that Iraq is the place where most of the people are killed, and it is in the percentage of 19.08%. Then Afghanistan is the place where more of the people are killed, then Pakistan, Nigeria and India. So the state with majority of kills is Baghdad, and followed with these states. So the hot zone, we can say Middle East and North Africa, with the majority of kills of 33.42%. And when we talk about the weapon types, so firearms and explosives are used the most for these terror activities. Now if we see separately, then Iraq is the country with majority of kills and highest terror acts, and the state with the majority of kills and highest terror acts is Baghdad. These are the groups which are involved mostly in the terror activities, and the private citizens and properties are the one which is affected and targeted a lot. The weapon that is mostly used is explosives, and you can see the count attack is 24,636, where people are injured is 1,34,690, and the most of the people killed is in the year of 2014 with the count attack of 3,933. So basically we have used EDA to see the trend and the growth of terrorism in the world and how it spread to various parts of the world using these graphs. So using these graphs, we come to conclusion that Iraq is the country with majority of kills and highest terror activities. Baghdad is the state with highest and the majority of terror activities. These are the groups which are involved in the terrorism activity. The most targeted areas is private citizens and properties, and the hot zone of the terrorism is Middle East and North Africa. So the basic objective of the project was to study and analyze the different terrorism acts that have taken place in various parts of the world at different times. So we have seen that the slow increase of the terror activities from 1970 to 2014, and 2014 followed with 2015 is one of the highest terror active years. So this is all that I have done for the EDA of the data set of terrorism. Thank you.